Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Today I've got a unique product to show you all. It's a Bluetooth earphones, but it's not an ordinary one. It's a dual driver hybrid type Bluetooth earphones. That means it can be used in both wired and wireless modes. Sounds awesome, right? It's made by this company called AMX and the model is X1. It says limitless music below that. They are dual driver earphones and have MMCX type connector to easily switch between wireless and wired mode. Let's see what else is written on the box. You've got the specs of these earphones at the back and a picture of the earphones with the Bluetooth module. Let's go through the specs. It's got a nylon braided cable design, has two 6mm driver units, the impedance is 16 ohms, the frequency response range is from 20 Hz to 20 kHz and comes with 12 months of warranty. So those were its specs. The price on the box says 4,990 rupees, but it's available for around 2,499 on Amazon. So that was our overview on the box. Now let's get started with the unboxing. I want to thank AMX for sending me this product for review purpose, and also stay tuned till the end of this video as there's a special giveaway for you guys. Let's open the box and check it out. On opening the box, we've got a book at the top. Must be a user manual. Just make sure to read it for all the info on the product. And here are the X1 earbuds. They've got a modular design and come as two separate earbuds in the box. Let me take them out and show you. They come only in this neon orange color. And are you seeing this, guys? Holy smokes, they're transparent! You can see the inside circuitry. That is awesome. We'll come back to them in a moment. First, let's see what else do we have in the box. You get a Bluetooth module. You can connect the X1 earbuds to this module and use it in wireless mode. Along with that, you also get a 3.5mm wired cable. With this, you can use the X1 earbuds in the wired mode. Both these cables use a special type of connector called the MMCX connector to connect with these earbuds. There's also a USB cable in the box for charging the Bluetooth module, a good quality pouch to carry the earphones, and a small note that tells you the correct way to detach your earbuds. And finally, you have a bunch of ear tips in the box. They come in all shapes and sizes. You've got large, small, special memory foam ear tips, and few more at the bottom. So these are all the items you got in the box. Now let me show you the X1 earbuds. So this is how the earbuds look like. The build quality looks very nice. The outer shell is completely made of plastic. You've got the X1 logo at the back side. The design is really good. The outer case is transparent. You can see the network inside. These are its dual drivers. The ear tips are made of silicone and their quality is also nice. At the bottom, you've got this special type of connector where you can connect either the wired or the wireless module. So that was our overview on the X1 earbuds. Now let's check out both the modules one by one. First, let me show you the wired one. So here is the 3.5mm cable. Let me show you those special connectors. These are called the MMCX connectors. MMCX stands for micro mini coaxial. Now let me show you the connection process. Connecting these earbuds with the wire is super simple. Just take the earbud and push the connector gently until you hear a click sound. That's it guys, super easy, right? Let's also connect the other one. There you go. So this is how the X1 earphones look like. These earphones have a braided cable with an enamel at the top. The design is good and also the cable looks strong and durable. You've got the inline remote control here, but on the wired module you only have a media play pause button and a microphone. There are no volume control buttons on it. And this is its gold plated 3.5mm jack. Now let me show you the Bluetooth module. The Bluetooth module uses a different type of cable. It's a nylon braided cable, but I prefer the previous type of material which was on the wired one. I've connected the X1 earbuds and this is how they look like. Here's the main battery unit. This thing is magnetic. The left part has a 120 mAh battery and the right part has a micro USB port for charging the module. This is the inline remote control. It's got 3 buttons on it: volume up, media play pause and volume down. The quality of the buttons is good, and beside that you've got a status LED indicator. On the other side there's a microphone and the AMX branding. So that was our overview on the design of these earphones. Now let's talk about the comfort and the audio quality. The AMX X1 earphones have a unique design. You need to wear them around your neck like this. And talking about the comfort, they're quite comfortable to wear for long time usage, and the noise isolation is also good on them. Coming to the audio quality was really nice for the price. The mids were crisp and clear, you can clearly hear the dialogues, the treble quality was also good, but I felt the treble was slightly high. And talking about the low frequency response, the bass was really good and punchy. On the overall, I was quite satisfied with the audio quality. And also I have to tell this, the audio output was really high on them. I couldn't go beyond 80% volume level, and the distortion was also very less even at max volume. Coming to the battery life, it has a 120 mAh battery, and on an average I was getting around 6 to 7 hours of battery life at 70% volume level. And charging these earphones from 0 to 100 took about 1.5 hours. So that was my review on the AMX Dual Driver X1 Hybrid earphones. They're really good earphones for the price. They cost about 2,499 rupees. They have a good build quality, the audio quality is nice, and the battery life is also decent. I'll leave links to this in the description box below, guys. You can check it out there. And coming to the giveaway, yes, I'll be giving away a pair of these awesome earphones to one of my lucky subscribers. To participate in this giveaway, all you need to do is follow me on my social media accounts like Instagram and Twitter. I'll leave links to them in the description box below. And also, along with that, you need to follow AMX India on their social media websites. This event will run for about 2 weeks from today, and the winner will be selected randomly from the comment section. The winner will be announced on both my Twitter account and YouTube channel, so stay tuned for that. So that was it for today, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.